Hello, my name is Yuri Agapov. I'll talk about the EasyGas plugin, which extends the possibilities of using the gameplayability system. The thing is that the standard gameplayability system widget does not allow to select blueprint-based attribute set attributes, only attributes created in C++. EasyGas solves this problem. Let me show how. Before we start, let's make sure everything is ready. I have already installed the plugin and created a project based on the third-party template. We need to make sure that gameplay abilities and EasyGas plugin are enabled. Gameplay abilities enabled, EasyGas enabled too. Both are enabled, so we can start working. First, we need to create attribute sets. Let this be an attribute set for a player. We call it player stat. Attribute set BP player stats. We open it and create the actual attributes. The attributes must be of type gameplay attribute data. Gameplay attribute data. Health, for example, stamina level. It's enough, I think. And also, as an example, let's create an attribute set for weapons. Weapon stats. Attribute sets BP weapon stats. Same gameplay attribute data. Damage and range. Compile save. Okay. Now let's try using the attributes. I'm going to create a gameplay effect damage over time. Create blueprint gameplay effects, gameplay damage over time. Open it. Okay. This should be an effect with duration. We'll use 30 seconds as duration and 1 second as a period. Now let's select an attribute. Create modifier and select an attribute. Modifier. This is where EasyGas help us. The widget we see displays all available attributes. EasyGas uses color coding, assigning different colors to attributes from different attribute sets. So it's easier to find that you need. The color is generated automatically based on the class name string. Okay, let's select health. In the EasyGas widget context menu, there is a copy path option. Which copies the selected attributes path to the clipboard. Let's call it. We will need this a bit later. also we need to specify amount of the health which we want to spend each second. For example, 1 health. Now let's add attributes to the character. Open character blueprints. For the character to be able to use the gameplayability system, we need to add the ability system component. In the component config, let's add attribute initialization in this field. We select our player stats and create new data table, dt player stats, for example. The type of row must be attributes metadata. Okay. Now we need to open data table and add a new row. As row name, we need to specify the path to the attribute. We copied it earlier, just paste it. Okay, now set the base 100, minimum 0, it's okay, and maximum value 102. Okay. Finally, let's apply the effect to the character. The simplest way it is to use apply gameplay effect to self method in the begin play event. Let's create handler event begin play call apply gameplay effect to self method and select our effect g dot. Now we need to save, compile, and let's test it. Open the debugger window for the player character with shift apostrophe, and we can see that the effect has been applied to the character, and we can also see all the attributes, the health value decreased. That's all. I wish you all good luck in your projects. I hope that my plugin will help you, and I would appreciate your feedback. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.